Watch as our real-life hero Knox steps into his tailored tail. Meet Knox, who loves speedy Hot Wheels and colorful Lego bricks. Today is special. Uncle J is visiting to play together. Let's build the biggest Lego city ever, cheers Knox happily. Bright bricks bounce everywhere as they begin their big creation. Knox stacks Lego towers high, while Uncle J builds tiny houses. Now let's zoom our Hot Wheels through our Lego town, says Knox. Cars race and zoom, zigzagging through colorful streets. So fun. Oh no. Toys everywhere, Legos and cars cover the whole table. Pizza is ready, Mom calls from the kitchen with a smile. Knox's tummy growls loudly. Pizza and cookies are his favorite. Uh-oh, where will we eat? Wonders Uncle J, scratching his head. The table is hiding under toys. No space for yummy pizza. But what about our cookies? Knox worries, eyes wide open. Can you help Knox clean up the toys? Let's pretend together. Quick, grab the Legos and pop them back into their bins. Where do Hot Wheels cars belong after playing?
Your turn.
Toy box. Away!
That's right. Cars zoom into their container, safe and sound. Yay! Now there's space for cheesy pizza and yummy cookies. After a fun day of playing, cleaning, and eating, it's time for Uncle J to head home. What's next for Knox? Racing cars through space? A magical bike adventure?